Now I have some jalapenos with the red and green, perfect for Christmas. Holiday ham, just like Grandma used to do, guys. I have got some delicious sliced pineapple here. I'm just gonna stuff that in between these slices of ham. This ham's gonna be so good. I think we're all a little turkeyed out by this point, so this holiday ham is gonna hit the spot for you and your guests. I've got some bourbon here with a cup of pineapple juice. We're just gonna do equal amounts of everything. A little brown sugar. Just those three things going on is a match made in heaven, you guys. What more could you want? Let's give that a little mix. Stir it up nice and well, and then we're gonna try to go ahead and flambe this baby. There she goes. And we're just gonna pour that delicious mixture all over the top of this ham, getting inside every crevice. You don't wanna leave any inch of this ham untouched. Pour it all right over the top. And now we're gonna come straight across with our cutout butter straight into these pecans. Oh, butter, pecans, brown sugar, bourbon. It's just too much to handle. We're gonna slap that right on top of this ham, pull our paper back, and the butter's just gonna stick to all of that glaze. Now I have some jalapenos with the red and green, perfect for Christmas. You wanna keep with the Christmas vibe on this baby. I'm gonna just pull back my film here, and they're gonna stay attached by the butter. Now let's just go right across with our foil, and she is just about ready to go into the oven, 350 degrees, for about an hour and a half. You just wanna get a nice caramel color on top of that. Now let's unveil. Look at that. That's the money shot right there. Let's give a little slice into this guy. Perfect. Look at all that coming out. This is just like Grandma's, guys. We're gonna just take 2 slices here, as many as you'd like. Right onto our plate, I have some mashed potatoes, because what else goes with holiday ham but mashed potatoes, right? We're gonna decorate it with just a few berries and some fresh rosemary to stay on that Christmas theme. Right across the top with our chives. A little drizzle of that sauce. We've got the pecans, the sweetness, the jalapenos add a little bit of spice. You're getting all the flavors you want in one dish, guys. Let's go in here for a bite. Get some of that pineapple, some of the ham here. A little of everything. Mashed potatoes.